In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a TradingView chart image to your photos. We'll walk through this on the TradingView mobile app, and the process is the same on most phones. Before we begin, make sure your chart looks exactly the way you want it to appear in the saved image. That means choosing the correct symbol and time frame, adjusting any indicators, and setting the zoom and layout. A quick tip: pinch to zoom for tighter detail, and drag the chart so the most important price action is centered. Start by opening the TradingView app on your phone. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your last chart or watch list. If not, just open the app as you normally would. Once you're in, select and tap the chart you want to save. If you're browsing multiple charts or layouts, tap the specific one you want to capture so it's front and center. Tapping the chart once can also hide extra panels and give you a cleaner view, which makes the final image look more professional. Next, look to the top right corner of the screen for the share icon. It looks like a little box with an arrow pointing upward. If you don't see it immediately, tap the chart once to bring up the toolbar. When you tap the share icon, a menu will slide up with several options for exporting or sharing your chart. From that menu, choose Save Image. This tells the app to generate a snapshot of the chart exactly as you see it. On some devices, the first time you do this, your phone may ask for permission to save images to your photos or gallery. Go ahead and allow access so the image can be stored on your device without any issues. That's it. The chart is saved automatically to your Photos app. To confirm, open your photos or gallery and check the Recents album. On certain Android devices, it may appear in a folder like Pictures, Downloads, or a TradingView or Screenshots album, depending on your settings. If you don't see it right away, give it a moment. Larger charts with lots of indicators can take a second to render. A few quick tips to get the best result. Make sure your chart background and grid visibility match your preferences before saving, since the image reflects exactly what's on your screen. If you use light or dark mode, pick the one that makes your annotations most readable. And remember, you can always use the share icon again if you decide to export the same chart to messaging apps or email. That's all you need to save a clean TradingView chart image straight to your photos.